Good morning, Eileen. Let's find Jeff here. Good morning, Jeff.
Good morning, Peter. Welcome back to the gallery. We're glad to have you.
How are you today?
I'm doing terrific, thank you.
Well, I have got some news for you.
What's that?
And I know you've been waiting for this, so guess what? I made reservations at the new quarterdeck.
Wonderful.
So they're not quite open yet. It's supposed to be done for Heritage, but they're accepting reservations in May. And folks, I'll put that number down below in the notes so you can make a reservation too.
Well, that's a wonderful idea, Peter. And I think what we ought to do today is look at Harbor Town and that area, kind of a before, during, and after the building of the new quarterdeck.
I love it.
How about we do a classic view first?
Okay.
Which
I have a feeling I know what view this might be.
This is the original.
This is the one that got it all started?
That's right. As built, if you will, by Mr. Fraser.
Okay, so that's the original quarterdeck right there.
That is the original quarterdeck.
Now, where are we
Beautiful
looking
area.
from? Yeah, where are we looking from?
So I'm in the area that if you walk back, you would be at Links and looking right straight down to the lighthouse in the harbor.
Got it.
And so that's where I'm standing. And if you want to take a look at when things were underway,
Yeah.
then you can see that view. I took this from the porch of the golf club,
Holy moly.
and guess what? There's nothing there.
Look at this. There's nothing there. The lighthouse looks so big. You know, this is the quarterdeck now comes up to about the third stripe, and look, there's nothing there. This is the coolest shot. You've got a lot of these acrylics that are free floating.
Yeah.
As framed, it looks so elegant. It looks so upscale.
It depends on your decor and your taste and so
Yeah.
forth, but these can look good with and without frames. And there are some that I think you're right, exactly right. It really improves the overall look and feel of the image.
This is a classic. I don't know why Harbor Town doesn't buy that from you and use that on the front cover of everything they do.
Well, maybe they might do that. Who knows?
All right, so
But
now,
we're to the almost completed phase.
ladies and
We're
gentlemen,
still doing just a little bit of finalization in this photo, but this is one of my first of the area with the new quarterdeck.
now this is what I was mentioning. Do you see the third stripe, the red stripe up
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
If I quickly go over here to the old quarterdeck, look at the difference.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a monstrosity compared. It's just not even close. I heard this is going to seat 500 people.
I heard the same thing, and it's an exquisite building in terms of how they put it together. And,
Yeah.
And I love how the windows kind of shrink as they go up. I think all of that helps blend together with the lighthouse.
Yeah.
A much larger building.
What time of day is this?
This was a evening shot.
Evening. Okay.
Because you have the sun coming in on that
Side.
far side there. Yep.
So in the summer, the sun will be going off the back there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This will be the
move up.
best sunsets in the country. And now this right there is the shipmaster. You can see all the little
that's
boats
right.
coming and going.
Yeah.
All right, so we have our new subject, and I can't wait to see more of the new quarterdeck.
I can't wait to take more.
All right.
I need them to finish it.
That's
They're
all
almost
right.
there.
That's all right. And Nadia, we'll give a shout out to our favorite Lighthouse Museum. And folks, that's open. It'll be open all throughout Heritage, and go up the 114 steps.
114.
Enjoy it.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah.
There you have two places, here and the lighthouse.
And online.
And we're open Monday through Friday. We're open half days, Monday afternoon and Friday morning, and the rest of the days are 10 to 4. And as you said, on the web and Facebook and Instagram, and
Excellent.
so.
And all donations go to Michael J. Fox
Michael J.
Foundation.
Fox Foundation, yes.
Excellent. All right, Jeff.
Thanks, Peter.
Look forward to seeing you next week.
Have a good day.
Okay.